Hi friends, as much as I would like to try to sit here and lie to you all and say that I wear things other than just hoodies, I don't. So yeah, this happens to be my favorite sweatshirt. If you see me wearing it in pretty much every video, don't ask questions. There's no need to. Here's your answer right now. I wear this all the time. That's true. I also have to wash it all the time. That's also true. So if you can hear the dryer going, sorry. Sweet peppers. I wrote no egg carton on it so I wouldn't forget because I'm a forgetful hoe. Red sweet peppers. Yellow squash. And more of these beautiful perennial butterfly flowers. I think that I am the most excited overall for these butterfly flowers just because I love butterflies and hummingbirds and bumblebees, and they're so pretty, and they're a perennial flower, so they're just gonna keep growing back over and over again, so that's pretty exciting. So yeah, let's get started. I also decided to get some more potting soil because I realized before I was just using regular potting mix, which is fine, like it does the job, but maybe organic potting mix would be better since it's fruits and vegetables. I don't know. So first we're gonna go ahead and mislabel everything, and then you're gonna cut that flappy piece off just like I did in my other two videos. So then I'm going to try to cut a section of the egg carton off and fail miserably at it. And then I decided it would be easier to just rip it, so that's what I did. And now you're going to relabel, but this time correctly label for the seeds that you're going to germinate. And then you want to take the other side and also do a bad job at cutting that, and then decide to rip it anyways. See, ta-da, so easy. Next, you are going to poke giant holes in the bottom. I have since learned that I made way too big of a drainage hole, and so all of the dirt was just falling out of the bottom, so I absolutely cannot move the carton from the ceramic planter dish thing. I did it this way though because on the package, on the instructions for how to properly germinate the pepper seeds, it says to use the peat circle things, which I didn't want to use because I'm trying to have a zero waste garden, right? So I'm gonna try it this way, and hopefully the seeds will still germinate and everything will be fine, and I'll be able to grow sweet peppers, and yeah, no chaos is happening. Everything is fine. Everything's fine. So then you want to sprinkle in a little bit of soil. I put a tiny bit in the bottom, and like I said, a lot of it just started falling out. So I ended up putting a little more in, and that's what the seeds look like in case you've never seen a pepper seed before. I put, I don't know, 4 to 5 seeds in each of these things. Maybe that was too many, but that's how many I put because this is my garden, so you can do it differently for your garden. There's a close-up of seeds, a seed close-up, pre-germination seed close-up. We're gonna move that out of the way because we're done now, and then we're just gonna rip it apart because that cutting nonsense was bull. So just like my last two videos, you want to poke drainage holes in the bottom, about that size, definitely not as big as the holes that we just poked for germinating the pepper seeds because those germinate differently than other seeds do. And we're gonna sprinkle in some soil. Try to make it look all pretty. Squash seeds. I put about 2 in each of these little sections. Then I so gingerly covered them up with dirt. I did add a little bit more on top, like I said previously. And then you want to do the same with the butterfly milkweed flowers. That's what that stands for, by the way, yellow squash and butterfly milkweed flowers. Just so then when they're all germinated, I actually know what I'm doing. So then you want to add a little bit more soil on top. Ta-da! Watering time. Don't do it this way. This way sucked and was dumb, and it sucked. It was awful. Don't do it that way. Do it this way. Use a cup. That was a lot better. But you see what I mean about like the water needing to soak up from the bottom? Can you see it starting to turn gray already?
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you are interested in seeing a plant update soon, let me know down in the comments. If you've made it this far, I hope that you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay safe out there, friends. Mwah! Bye.